Welcome to the 2020 Financial Modelling Innovation Award. We started off by having the judges assess the various innovations for their novelty, their focus on a real problem, the quality of their engineering, their effectiveness, usability, and the breadth of the innovation's audience.
I was myself in spreadsheet hell all my life, and essentially looking at the spreadsheet ecosystem as a tool to deliver better decisions. Visyond is a secure collaborative spreadsheet. Secure because it allows every stakeholder to see and interact only with what they need to see and interact with. Collaborative because it tracks all the assumptions coming from all collaborators at the same time and combines them into scenarios that can be compared on the fly and showed into dashboards where stakeholders, clients, decision makers, they can self-serve on the data to make better analysis and decisions faster. We want to change the way people work. People who have to deal with spreadsheet presentations, data analytics, knowledge management, governance tools. We wanted to put all this together.
When we're looking for innovation that sits outside of financial modeling's very comfy home of Excel, we're really looking for ideas that genuinely expand the profession of financial modelling and have made the very best of not being restrained by Excel's many and sort of our lovingly endured limitations. The winner of this category has sought to move the spreadsheet experience to the cloud and make scenario modelling a genuinely collaborative experience. The cloud-based single source of truth model with the advanced functionality of Excel. The winner of Out of Excel category is Visyond. Congratulations.